Hello, my name is Maria Cantu-Hibron. I'm a Kansas State University student, and I'm going to present to you my 1-hour workshop on my ITEC 7460 class. This is a workshop designed for a technology-based assessment for special area teachers, and I'm going to guide you to my Google site. This is my Google site. The home page is talking about what is a formative assessment, the types of assessments that we have, and also embedded video and images. Then we're going to move on to workshop resources. I have a workshop flyer. This is my flyer. Then I have a lesson plan. This is my lesson plan. The lesson plan has the links embedded. This is the agenda. The agenda was divided into 2 days. The workshop was delivered during our common planning time during the 17th and the 18th of the month. So this is the agenda. And these are the quick sheets or handouts. The first handout was designed by me. I took some pictures and I designed and walked through the process of opening the Google Classroom. These are the applications that we have in the backpack. These are the files that we have in the Google Drive. This is the assessment in Google form, a general assessment. This is the technology-based assessment. I walked through all the process of doing the settings. And this is an example of my test with pictures and with videos embedded. These are copies of some other quick sheets or handouts from the instructional technology coach. We're gonna move on to instructional components. And this is my workshop presentation. The workshop presentation was made on Google Slides. And this is the body, an introduction for the presentation. We're gonna move to additional elements. On additional elements, I included some videos, some YouTube videos and tutorials. This is a tutorial to differentiate assessment using Google Forms. This is another tutorial using Google Forms to assess in the art room. And this is music education and assessments. Google Classroom tutorial, Google Docs tutorial, Google Forms tutorial, Google Maps tutorial, and Google Drawings tutorial. This is in general how to use the Google Drive and the Google Sites. We're gonna move to more. We have evaluation instrument. An evaluation instrument, I have the data that I collected through the surveys. At the beginning, I gave the teachers a survey to know a little more about their experience with technology. And this is the document that describes all the results. I have the results from the first. I have the results for the final and the appendix number 2. Appendix number 1 are the graphs for the initial assessment or survey. And the appendix B is the workshop feedback. This is actually the initial survey. This is the spreadsheet of the results. This is the workshop survey. And this is the spreadsheet of their results. Going back to the home page of my Google site. This is the agenda and a document with all the links. This is my lesson plan. You can see the links and the additional resources with the links included and references. This is the tones that I did on digital equity. And this is just to think about. We think that we all have technology and devices available for us, but this is not the case in all the times. This is my Bucky.
Good morning, Mrs. W and Mrs. H. Today we will talk about the assessment for the special area team. We know that assessment is an ongoing process of evaluate progress. Since we teach grades K to 5th, we will need a unique method of incorporate technology into assessment to save time. Using Google Forms, we will be able to assess the 650 students in a week. Use your school email and password to open My Backpack and open Google Drive from the apps. Click New Google Form to create the first technology-based assessment for special area team.
This is my actual presentation on a Google Slides. And this is a quick sheet or handout that I designed with all the pictures. This is the example of my test. Actually, this is a test for my 5th grade students, including just images. And this is the test with the videos included. Well, I already walked you through my assignment. This is my Google site for my assignment. My name is Maria Cantu-Hibron, and I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you.